Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So today I created this burgundy makeup look and I like it how it turned out, and I hope you guys like it, because at first I didn't really know what to do because I didn't have any burgundy eyeshadow, so I had to find a way on how to get that color. And before you continue watching, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell right there so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. So without further ado, so let's get on to the video. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna go straight to my eyes. I'm gonna be using this lip liner. It's a burgundy lip liner because I don't have any burgundy eyeshadow available, and this is the only burgundy color that I have, so I'm gonna use this one all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna take this dark brown right here and I'm gonna apply it same thing like this one. I'm gonna try this liquid eyeliner from Serapphine Botanicals. So I'll be right back and put my lashes on. So I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. I'll finish my eyes later. So let's move on to the face. So I'm gonna use this Cover FX blurring primer. So for the foundation, I'm gonna use my Maybelline 24-hour SuperStay foundation, and I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna dab it all over my face. I think I put too much. I actually only used 2 pumps, but I think that was too much. I actually like the coverage of this foundation. It might be too light for now, but it will oxidize a little bit later. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use my Cover Stick concealer. I really like this concealer. It shows that I don't have any more. I like this concealer because it's creamy and it's not drying. My face is too light, so I'm gonna set my under eye with Maybelline Better Skin SuperStay. And I'm gonna use the CoverGirl TruBlend to set the rest of my face. So I'm gonna take my Master Contour palette from Maybelline. I'm gonna take this right here. I'm also gonna contour my nose. Go ahead and bronze my face. I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes, and I'm gonna grab back my lip liner and I'm gonna rub it right there, and I'm gonna smudge it, and I'm gonna take back this dark brown right here. So for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this highlighter from the same contour palette from Maybelline. Cupid's bow, my nose, at my brow bone. I like that. So for the blush, I'm gonna use Note. So now I'm gonna go to my lips. So I'm gonna use that same lip liner. Now I'm just gonna follow the line of my lips. I'm gonna take off this lipstick because I found a liquid lipstick from WetnWild and I think it would look good. So let's try. It feels so smooth when you glide it in your lips. I think it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna set everything with Melani Make It Dewy Setting Spray.